Good morning. Welcome to the virtual classroom. Let me start with my introduction. I'm Suvarna, your science teacher. I hope you are doing well, as your well-being is our first priority. As you all know, we are fighting with this pandemic COVID-19. So I hope all of you are maintaining social distancing, practicing respiratory hygiene, and washing your hands frequently with soap and water. And do apply alcohol-based hand rub. Alright? Okay, so in order to fight with this coronavirus, we are going to stream our videos on lessons of your syllabus because our students will not suffer on their education just because of this virus. So, are you ready? So, let's begin our first chapter, Nutrition in Plants. Before that, tell me one thing, children. You felt hungry in the morning, so you had taken your breakfast, right? Okay, then you start feeling hungry again. Why do you feel hungry again when you have taken a good breakfast in the morning? Where that breakfast has gone? Exactly. That breakfast, your body has consumed that food to produce energy to do various work. Work like you studied, you played, you have drawn something, right? So you need energy to do such kind of activities. So that breakfast, that food that you have consumed in the morning, that has been utilized to give you energy to do such work. Even right now you need energy to concentrate to watch my video, right? Alright, so food gives us energy. Food is the source of energy, right? But what is there in the food which gives us energy? Recall, go back to class 6. We have started something there. Exactly. There are some components of food which provide us energy. In the food, there are some components that provide us energy. What are those components? Let's quickly recapitulate it. Alright? Here are the components of food which we studied in our class 6. Let us go through it. First one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also called as energy-giving foods. Why? Because they provide us energy. And the sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, etc. Alright. Second one is fats. Fats are also called as energy-giving foods because they also provide us energy. And you know, children, fats provide us energy twice as compared to that of carbohydrates. What are the sources of fats? Exactly. Oil, butter, ghee, etc. Then comes vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are called as protective foods because they help our body fight against the diseases, fight against the foreign material that enter our body. And minerals, though they are micronutrients, but they play a vital role because they help in normal growth of the body, health, good health of our body, and they help in proper functioning of the body organs. Then comes proteins. Proteins are also called as bodybuilding food because they help in repairing and growth of cells. Alright, sources of proteins are pulses, soya bean, meat, fish, egg, etc. Then comes water. Water provides a liquid medium for the substances to get transported and eliminated from the body. It also helps in regulating the temperature of the body. Then comes roughage. Roughage are also called as dietary fiber. Dietary fiber, which means fibers that can be eaten. You know, they are not providing any nutrient to our body, but still they are very important part. Why? Because they provide bulk to the food. And because of that bulk of the food, that food and that waste material that keeps on moving along the intestine, which helps get us rid of that constipation, which is a major problem, right? So roughage are also very important. So these components of food, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, proteins, water and roughage, these components of food together are called as nutrients. So what are the nutrients? Components of food which are essential to give us energy are called as nutrients. You know, children, it's not that simple process to get energy from the food, to get the nutrients do their work inside our body. It's a very complicated process. And this process in which we take in food, this entire process of taking in food and utilizing that food to give us energy by living organism, that is called as nutrition. So I repeat, this entire process of taking in food by living organism and utilizing it to get energy is called as nutrition. So children, that's all for the day. In our next class, we are going to study about the modes of nutrition and this entire complicated process of nutrition in very simple words. Okay, till then, you have to read the handout. Take care. Bye-bye.